Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Now the next topic is section formula. The coordinates of a point which divides the line segment joined by two distinct points x1 y1 and x2 y2 in the ratio m:n are. Now the coordinates of the points are mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and the y coordinate is my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Now look here, ध्यान दीजिए. द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ ए पॉइंट विच डिवाइड्स द लाइन सेगमेंट. ये एक लाइन सेगमेंट है, ये एक पॉइंट है जो इसको इस लाइन सेगमेंट्स को टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर रहा है. ये जो दो पॉइंट्स हैं ये हो गए x1 y1 और ये जो सेकेंड पॉइंट है लाइन सेगमेंट का ये होगा x2 y2. और इस पॉइंट की बिना पे लेट अस कंसीडर हियर पॉइंट P. इसके बिना पे ये दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड हो रहा है, तो इसके जो कोऑर्डिनेट्स हम लेंगे, फॉर एग्जांपल कंसीडर हियर x एंड y. नाउ लेट अस कंसीडर पॉइंट A एंड पॉइंट B. ये सेगमेंट है AB. पॉइंट P की वजह से इसका जो रेशो आ रहा है m:n, ये रेशो में इसे डिवाइड कर रहा है. तो इस तरीके से ये जो पॉइंट P के कोऑर्डिनेट्स है वो हम इस फॉर्मूले की बिना पे मालूम कर सकते हैं. ये कहलाता है सेक्शन फॉर्मूला. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला. द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ मिड पॉइंट ऑफ ए लाइन सेगमेंट जॉइनिंग टू डिस्टिंक्ट पॉइंट्स x1 y1 एंड x2 y2 आर. नाउ लुक हियर. Now look here, it is one of the segment and the midpoint is here, this one. Now two points are x1 y1 and the second one is x2 and y2. Now let us consider P is the midpoint. Now the coordinates are x comma y. Now the points are A and B. ध्यान दीजिए, यहाँ AB एक लाइन सेगमेंट है, इसका मिड पॉइंट है पॉइंट P. तो पॉइंट P की वजह से ये जो लाइन सेगमेंट है दो इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड हो रहा है, तो ये कहलाता है मिड पॉइंट फार्मूला. तो जिस पॉइंट की बिना पे ये दो इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड हो रहा है, यानी यहाँ पर m और n ये दोनों इक्वल होगा. जैसे हमने यहाँ पे देखा है m/n रेशो, तो यहाँ ये बोथ रेशोज आर इक्वल हियर. तो इस पॉइंट के जो कोऑर्डिनेट्स है वो हमें मिलेंगे x इज इक्वल टू x1 प्लस x2 अपॉन 2 एंड y इज इक्वल टू y1 प्लस y2 अपॉन 2. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज सेंट्रॉइड फार्मूला. इफ x1 y1 x2 y2 एंड x3 y3 आर द vertices of a triangle. Now look here. एक ट्रायंगल है, ये ट्रायंगल के वर्टाइसेस है x1 y1 x2 y2 और थर्ड है x3 y3. देन कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ द सेंट्रॉइड आर. तो ये जो मिड पॉइंट्स होता है हर एक का, इसका मिड पॉइंट्स अगर हमने ये लिया, ये कहलाता है सेंट्रॉइड. नाउ द कोऑर्डिनेट्स आर x कॉमा y. इसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स होते हैं x कॉमा y. तो ये जो कोऑर्डिनेट्स हमें मिलेंगे ये फाइंड होगा x1 प्लस x2 प्लस x3 अपॉन 3, और इसका y कोऑर्डिनेट हमें मिलेगा y1 प्लस y2 प्लस y3 अपॉन 3. लेट अस कंसीडर थ्री वर्टाइसेस आर A, B and C. नाउ द फार्मूला इज कॉल्ड सेंट्रॉइड फार्मूला. Let us see how to solve practice set 5.2. Now the first question is, find the coordinates of point P if P divides the line segment joining the points A -1 7 and B 4 minus 3 in the ratio 2:3. Now simply first draw a rough diagram here. Take the point A minus 1 7 and second one is B 4 and minus 3. Let us consider point P here. Now the coordinates of point P are x and y. Divides the line segment joining the points. These 2 points are given in the ratio 2:3, means here 2 and here the ratio is 3. Now 2 is the value of m and 3 is the value of n. Let us consider the coordinates of point A are x1, y1 and point B are x2, y2. Therefore, write down here. Point P divides AB in the ratio 2:3. That is m is to n is equal to 2:3. Now bisection formula. X is equal to m x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n. Now substituting the values here. X is equal to m. The value of m is 2 into x2. Now the x2 is 4 plus n. N means 3 into x1. x1 is minus 1 upon m plus n means 2 plus 3. It is equal to solid 2 4s are 8. Now plus positive into negative, we get negative 3 into 1 3 upon 5. Now 8 minus 3 is equal to 5 upon 5. Now cancel it, we get 1. Therefore the value of x is equal to 1. And by section formula, y is equal to, write down the formula here, m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. Now substituting the values, we get y is equal to m. M means 2. 2 into y2. Now the value of y2 is minus 3 plus n. N means 3 into y1. Now the value of y1 is 7 upon m plus n means 2 plus 3. Therefore y is equal to, now solid, 2 into minus 3 minus 6 plus 3 7s are 21 upon 5. Therefore y is equal to, now minus 6 plus 21, we get here 15 upon 5. Now cancel it, 5 3s are 15. Therefore y is equal to 3. Write down here, y is equal to 3. Therefore the coordinates of point P are 1 and 3. Write down here. The coordinates of point P are x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3. That is, point P means 1, 3 divides the line segment AB in the ratio 2:3. Now second question is, in each of the following examples find the coordinates of point A which divides segment PQ in the ratio A:B. Now here the ratio of given A:B means it is the value of m is to n. m/n ना यूज़ करते हुए इस क्वेश्चन में a/b का यूज़ किया गया है. Therefore, let us consider the coordinates of point P are x1, y1 and the coordinates of point Q are x2, y2. Now, write down the solution here. Let the coordinates of point A are x, y, x and y, that is a x comma y. Now point A divides PQ in the ratio A is to B, means A is to B is equal to 2 is to 1. Now write down here bisection formula. Now we know that the value of x is equal to mx2 plus n x1 upon m plus n. तो यहाँ m और n ना यूज़ करते हुए a और b लिखा गया है, तो हम उसी फॉर्मूला को m और n की जगह a और b से रिप्लेस करके भी लिख सकते हैं. तो हमें जो फॉर्मूला मिलेगा वो होगा ax2 प्लस bx1 अपॉन a प्लस b. m और n की जगह हमने a और b लिखा है. Now substituting the values we get x is equal to a. Now the value of a is 2. 2 into x2. x2 is 1 plus b. b means 1 into x1. x1 is minus 3 upon a plus b means 2 plus 1. Therefore x is equal to 2 plus into positive into negative we get negative 1 into 3 3 upon 3. Therefore x is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1 upon 3. Now we get here the value of x is equal to minus 1 upon 3. And now the second formula is y is equal to a y2 plus b y1 अपॉन a प्लस b. इस फॉर्मूले में भी हमने m और n ना लिखते हुए यहाँ a और b लिखा है. Now substituting the values here, y is equal to a into y2 means 2 into, now the value of y2 minus 4 plus b. b means 1 into y1 7 upon a plus b means 2 plus 1. सॉल्व कीजिए इसे. y is equal to minus 8 plus 7 upon 3 which is equal to minus 1 upon 3. Therefore the value of y is equal to minus 1 upon 3. Point A has coordinates minus 1 upon 3 comma minus 1 upon 3. Now second question, let us consider the coordinates of point and Q are x1 y1 and here x2 y2 in the ratio m is to n, means a is to b. Now the value of a is 3 and the value of b is 4. Let us consider the coordinates of point A are x comma y. Now write down here point A divides PQ in the ratio a is to b, that is a is to b is equal to 3 is to 4. By section formula, write out the formula here. X is equal to ax2 plus bx1 upon a plus b. Now substituting the values we get here x is equal to 3 into x2 means 4 plus b means 4 into x1 यानी -2 upon 3 plus 4. Now solve it. 3 into 4 we get 12. Positive into negative 4 2s are 8 upon 7. 3 plus 4 7. Now 12 minus 8 we get here 4 upon 7. Therefore the value of x is equal to 4 upon 7. Write down here x is equal to 4 upon 7. And y is equal to ay2 plus by1 upon a plus b. Write down the formula here. Now substituting the values we get a means 3 into y2 यानी 3 plus b means 4 into y1 यानी -5 upon 3 plus 4. Positive into negative 4 5s are 20 upon 7 is equal to 9 minus 20 means we get here -11 upon 7. It is the value of y. Now the value of y is equal to -11 upon 7. Therefore write down the answer here. The coordinates of point A are 4 upon 7 and -11 upon 7. That is, the coordinates of point A are 4 upon 7 comma -11 upon 7. Now next question is now here also our aim is to find the coordinates of point A. Now let us consider the coordinates of point P are x1 y1 and x2 y2 and the ratio are given here 1:2. Now let us consider, let the coordinates of point A are x comma y. Now point A x comma y divides PQ in the ratio A:B. That is A:B, it is given here 1:2. Now bisection formula, write down your formula. Bisection formula. Now we know that the formula, the value of x is equal to ax2 plus bx1 upon a plus b. Now substituting the values we get here, the value of x is equal to ax2 means 1 into -4 plus bx1 means 2 into 2 upon a plus b means 1 plus 2 is equal to 1 into -4 plus 2 into 4, 2 into 2 4 upon 3 which is equal to 0 upon 3. Therefore the value of x is equal to 0. And bisection formula, the value of y is equal to ay2 plus by1 upon a plus b. Now substituting the values here we get a into y2 means 1 into 1 plus b into y1 means 2 into 6. Now we get here 1 plus 12 upon 3. 1 plus 12 means 13 upon 3. Therefore now write down the answer here. Therefore the value of y is equal to 13 upon 3. Now write down the answer here. The coordinates of point A are 0 and 13/3. That is A, and the coordinates are 0, 13/3. Next question is third one. Find the ratio in which point T divides the line segment joining the points P -3, 10 and Q 6 -8. Let us consider line segments P and Q, and the coordinates are -3, 10, and here the coordinates of Q are 6 and -8. Our aim is to find the ratio. Now point T, the coordinates of point T are given here -1 and 6, and the ratio, let us consider the ratio are m/n. Now look here, the coordinates of point P are x1, y1, and the coordinates of point Q are x2, y2, and point T divides the line segment in the ratio m/n. Therefore the coordinates of point T are x and y. Write down here solution. Point T means -1, 6 divides the line segment PQ in the ratio m/n. Now our aim is to find the value of m/n. अब ध्यान दीजिए, x या y कोई भी एक फॉर्मूला यूज़ करके हम m/n की वैल्यू आसानी से मालूम कर सकते हैं. नाउ बाय सेक्शन फॉर्मूला, x is equal to, now the formula is mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Now substituting the values we get here, look here, the value of x is -1. Write down here -1 is equal to m into x2. Now the value of x2 is 6 plus m into x1. x1 is -3 upon m plus n. Now cross multiply here, we get -1 into m plus n is equal to 6m minus 3n. Now open the bracket, multiplying each and every terms inside the bracket by -1. Now we get here -1m minus 1n is equal to 6m minus 3n. ध्यान दीजिए, m वाले टर्म्स हम लेफ्ट हैंड में लेकर आ जाते हैं और n के टर्म्स राइट हैंड में लेके चले जाएंगे. -1m minus 6m is equal to -3n. ये इधर शिफ्ट हो जाएगा तो +1n. Now solve it, we get -1m minus 6m, we get here -7m is equal to -3n plus 1n means -2n. Now minus minus cancel, we get 7m is equal to 2n. It can be written as m upon n is equal to 2 upon 7. Therefore m/n is equal to 2:7. Therefore write down the answer here. Point T divides the line segment PQ in the ratio 2:7. Now next question is, point P is the center of the circle and AB is a diameter. Find the coordinates of point B if coordinates of point A and P are 2, -3 and -2, 0 respectively. Now look here, point P is the center of the circle. Now draw a rough diagram here. Now point P, it is center of the circle. AB is diameter. A and B. It means point P, it is midpoint of AB. Find the coordinates of point B. B के coordinates हमें find out करना है. If coordinates of point A and P are, तो A के coordinates यहाँ पे दिए गए हैं 2, -3 और P के coordinates है -2 and 0. Now look here. सेगमेंट दिया गया है ए बी, इसका मिड पॉइंट है पॉइंट पी बिकॉज इट इज सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल एंड ए बी इज डायमीटर ऑफ द सर्कल. तो हम यहाँ पे मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला यूज़ करके बी के जो कोऑर्डिनेट्स है वो मालूम कर सकते हैं. लेट अस कंसिडर द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ पॉइंट ए आर x1 y1 and the coordinates of point B are x2 y2 and point P is midpoint, therefore the coordinates are x and y. Now write down the solution here. Write down here, point P is the center of the circle and AB is a diameter. Means point P is midpoint of segment AB. Therefore, by midpoint formula, now we know that the formula is x is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2. Now substituting the values we get, now the value of x is -2 here is equal to x1 plus x2. x1 means 2 plus x2 upon 2, cross multiply we get -4 is equal to 2 plus x2. It can be written as x2 is equal to -4 minus 2 which is equal to -6. Therefore, the value of x is equal to -6 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Therefore, substituting the values we get the value of y is 0. 0 is equal to y1 means -3 plus y2 upon 2. Cross multiply here we get 0 is equal to -3 plus y2. Therefore, the value of y2 is equal to 3. Now write down the answer. The coordinates of point B are -6 and 3. That is, write down here, the coordinates of point B are -6, 3. Now the next question is, find the ratio in which point P of k, 7 divides the segment joining A 8, 9 and point B 1, 2. Also find k. Now look here, point P, if we take point P here, coordinates are k, 7 divides the segment joining A and B, and the coordinates of point A are 8, 9, and the coordinates of point B are 1, 2. Our aim is to find the ratio. Now let us consider the ratio m is to n. Also find value of k. Now look here. Point P divides the line segment AB in the ratio m is to n. Therefore consider the coordinates of point P are x and y, and the coordinates of point A are x1, y1, and the coordinates of point B are x2, y2. Now write down here solution. Point P, k, 7 divides the line segment AB in the ratio m is to n. Therefore, by section formula, now look here, the x coordinate of point P is k and the y coordinate of point P is 7. Therefore, first using the formula of y and find out the ratio of m is to n. Therefore, y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Now substituting the values, we get the value of y here is 7. 7 is equal to m into y2. Now the y2 is 2 plus n into y1. Now the value of y1 is 9 upon m plus n. Now cross multiply here, we get 7 into m plus n is equal to 2m plus 9n. Now open the bracket, multiplying each and every terms inside the bracket by 7. Now we get here 7m plus 7n is equal to 2m plus 9n. Now shifting the like variables m in the left hand side, we get 7m minus 2m. It is shifting to the left hand side, and plus 7n, it is shifting to the right hand side. Now we get here 9n minus 7n. Now solve it. 7m minus 2m means 5m is equal to 9n minus 7n means 2n. Now it can be written as m upon n is equal to 2 upon 5. Therefore, m is to n is equal to 2 is to 5. Now here the value of m is 2 and the value of n is 5. Point P divides AB in the ratio 2 is to 5. Therefore, again using bisection formula, x is equal to m x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n. Now substituting the values, we get here the value of x is k here, write down k is equal to m. The value of m is 2 into x2 and the x2 is 1 plus n. Now the value of n is 5 into x1. x1 is 8 upon m plus n means 2 plus 5. Now solve it. K is equal to 2 plus 5 it's a 40 upon 7. Therefore, cross multiplying here, 7k is equal to 42. Now dividing by 7. Therefore, k is equal to 42 upon 7. 7 ones are 7 6 are. Therefore, we get here value of k is equal to 6. Now write on the answer. The ratio in which point P divides the segment AB is m is to n, means 2 is to 5, and the value of k is 6. Now next question is, find the coordinates of midpoint of the segment joining the points 22, 20 and 0, 16. Now look here. Let us consider the points are A, coordinates are 22, 20, and here B, coordinates are 0, 16. Now let us consider M is the midpoint of segment AB and the coordinates are x, y. The coordinates of point A are x1, y1 and the coordinates of point B are x2, y2. Therefore, by midpoint formula, write on the formula here, x is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Now substituting the values, we get here x is equal to x1 means 22 plus 0 upon 2, which is equal to 22 upon 2. Cancel it, 2 ones are 2 ones are. Therefore the value of x is equal to 11. Now look here, substituting values, we get y is equal to y1 means 20 plus y2 means 16 upon 2, which is equal to 36 upon 2. Cancel it, 2 ones are 2 eights are. We get here 18. Therefore the value of y is equal to 18. Now write on the answer. The coordinates of midpoint of the segment joining the points 22, 20 and 0, 16 are 11, 18. Allah Hafiz.